Claret. Oh, that was the Mally palette. That's what I used earlier. It was this color. Right there. It's actually called Claret. I'll have to use this one tomorrow. I've already played with it today. That was what I had on, and I just played with it. And I am putting makeup on top of makeup. Who does that on a YouTube video? Beth Buchanan. Short shader. Let's go for a dark color. You can use the same color in the crease as you do underneath, or you can liven it up. Actually, I'm going to use Confident, which is the purple. Right there. Tap that off. And we're going to go underneath. Now this should do really good for me because I have green eyes, and that will really make green pop. It's opposite the colored wheel of purple, and so that will really, purple and reds really make green look green. Now one thing you can do if you want to carry that color through is come up on the outer V and kind of carry that into, stamp it into the lash line a little bit. That'll kind of give a hint of that same color through your lashes. And you're getting rid of any flesh color, but keep it straight to the lash because you've already done the lid with a real champagne look. See how that kind of brings it up a little? Again, I'm going straight through the lashes. I am allowing it to come down just a little bit. And that's the look. Now, to do my brow, I can use another color in here called Bold. No, I'm going to do Inspired. And I'll tell you why. Bold has got a little bit of shimmer to it. I don't want that. And I'm just literally going to go through the brow with it and out a little. Come up to where that would have gone out right there. And just kind of build a little. That's a little too orangey of a brown. It's got too much. Yeah. See the difference? That looks a little too orangey. I should have gone with the other color. But it had sparkles in it. So it had sparkle brow. That's okay. I just would have had sparkled brows. Now I've just got orangey brows. We'll just go ahead and reinforce the front a little bit. It does not look great, y'all. There we go. Okay, so that's the look. What do y'all think? That's before eyeliner. Now we know, one of the things that we know, first of all, it's always good to blend out. You know, blend out any area where there's a little bit of a line. I blended that a little pretty good before, but that just blends the edges real good. There's no hard line there because we're going to line over that. I'm going to use Tartist, and so I'm going to use the inner crayon for the waterline. A little fallout there. There we go. Just enough black to kind of set off the colors. And that's what the black does, is it sets off the colors. And then we're going to use this liner. Probably going to go all the way in, connect it right there, give it a little bit more of a tip. Then go back to the lash line, make sure you lay it down right at the lashes so that there's no separation line. And I'm going to probably go all the way in this time. Use the tip if you're trying to really almost paint with it. And you see how that also kind of sets the color off? Like you notice the color there, but there you really, it looks more like a finished look. That's why I use liner. Just gives a little bit more of a finished look. So if you don't want a finished look, if you want a more casual look, I would not use liner. So most people, when they use liner, it's to go out at night. They want a little more made up look, a little more of a finished, like on purpose look than a natural look. Again, lay it down right at the lash line and go all the way down. Always make sure you connect. Whoops. There's a little skip. Sometimes you can use the very tip in. There. It just would not, it kept dragging the skin, and so when it drags the skin, it gives a little skip line. Also, if you're not crazy about your brows, which I'm not right now, You can brush through them, brush on to the bottom, just the bottom, don't brush through, and tip out right there, and then brush them back a little, back towards the, oops, there's a little bit of fallout.